This video is about my last trip back towards Daylesford, where I more thoroughly checked out that creek where I found gold in the bank. A few embarrassing moments, a few surprises, but the best thing is I'm only just getting started, and this looks like it's a really good creek for some really good gold. Wow, coming back to site in a slightly different route, because I've come from a different direction, which I'm not sure was a good idea, even if I was in the Honda. Since I'm in the transit van, I'm starting to think this was a really bad idea. Here's the tricky bit. Well, actually it's not the tricky bit because the creek is dry. This is the bit I was worried about though. It looks fine, but it's dry, so I hope there's water in the creek where we're going to. Okay. Don't get narrower. Don't get any narrower. Yeah, no worries. Ah! That was close. Yeah, that would have got me in trouble. And I've already, because I already knocked the mirror. Fine, not a worry. No one tell Sarah about this, okay? Ow. Ooh. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Not a worry. Not a worry at all. Alright, now back on the main road. Let's get to this creek. So yeah, I'm no longer on that main road, and I'm not entirely sure I'm in the right spot because I don't remember this bit of the track. I think I'm on the right track, and the reason I think I'm on the right track is because I recognised that. But what I didn't see coming the other way, and I've now seen coming this way, no, that's not going to work, is this hill. And I'm not entirely sure that's a natural pile of rock. So since we're here, I'm going to make a slight detour and go up there and check that out. Now there's a track, but not for the van. Yeah, not for eating. Not with the white gills. Another good reason we shouldn't be locking people out of the bush is because with a society with an obesity and fitness problem, need more people out here getting fit. Oh. Right. Well, these look like they're volcanic rocks. So this might be a little lava plug. Wow. We're right up amongst it here. This little rocky tour. So I think down there's the creek we're aiming for. Road goes further up and around and down. Although I just got a bad feeling. Just got a really bad feeling. Turns out my bad feeling about this volcanic plug was justified, but not in the way I was expecting. The bad feeling I've got is that in the last video I mentioned that I've been looking for this hard rock mine, and it was up on this hill above a creek, and I think it was 2 or 3 videos I was looking for the thing, and in the last one I found it. But My memory of that mine is from about 20 years ago. And my knowledge of, you know, all things prospecting and mining back then was limited. Like, back then I hadn't even done any work, any of my environmental consulting work with any mines. And I suspect that this outcrop I'm standing on is what I thought was the hard rock mine. And that back 20 years ago, the younger me mistook all that boulder field back there for evidence of mining, whereas in fact it's a natural feature. So what I think we're going to find is, when we get back to the van, I'm going to go along a bit, I'm going to find that main road, I'm going to look up at that hill where I was just standing and go, bother. And that's not a problem. That's not a problem. The problem is I'm not sure where to go from here to get back to that spot I was looking for. Yep. Bother. Yeah, look, give me 5 minutes. Give me time to think. I'll get back to you. But as it turns out, though, the younger me mistaking that feature for a mine 20 years ago was the least trouble that it caused me. But the real annoyance was to come. But that is in the next video.